All right, because as you know, it's summertime. AC unit needs to be serviced. I called the place to clean it, and they was gonna charge me about $300. I'm like, you clearly don't know that I was raised in a house that fixes stuff on their own. So I was like, I'll just do it myself. So shooting a video. Here's me cleaning it. I should probably start with cutting it off and getting my needed supplies. All right, step one, cut it off. So I don't. All right, step two, get my screwdriver so I can take this thing off. And I don't think a lot of people know this, but the most important thing for fixing your air conditioner in the hot sun, something to keep cool. All right, take a look and see what it looks like in here. I'll try to hold this. Oh yeah, that's gross. That's pretty gross. See, what happens is these coils right here, the air needs to flow through it. But as you can see, I got debris and whatnot. So what should happen is this thing should be just sitting on a concrete slab. But as you can see, it's just sitting on this plain ground and it's just full of gook. So this whole thing's having to work super hard and it's expensive. So I'm going to use like this foaming cleaner on the coils, or any foaming cleaner. I just bought this one. This obviously isn't sponsored by anyone. So I'm gonna take the rest of these vents off, clean the bottom, use this foaming cleaner. I'm like, get a rag and a broom and really get all this kind of stuff clean. I've been cleaning the inside a little already. So this is kind of what it's looking like now. But as all of this, like, all of this dirt, all this stuff got to come out. I want to just give a little preview what I'm over here sweating and doing and getting tired for. But yeah. A little status update. Jeez, I'm sweaty. But yeah, so as you saw before, all of that was gook and grime. Now you can actually see the bottom. This is just a portion of what I pulled out of the ground. I don't know if you can see that. That's what I pulled out. Now you can see, this is getting cleaner in here. But I'm still not done. I'm gonna go over it again, getting the gook out with my cleaner. I'm using this broom, and the cleaner actually comes with a brush. But you just got to be careful because these little coils right here, if you put, that air has to flow in between them. So I'm really kind of lightly going with it. Mostly I'm using the water and the spray and letting it do that. And the water really doesn't damage it at all because these things sit outside all year. So it is what it is. But yeah, look, status update before I finish it up. All right. So here we go. That's the inside now. I know you really can't see the coils too well, but all of that was like, those coils in there was all blocked up. This area, you can actually see the bottom of it now. This is the outside, don't worry about that. But like, look at that. Look at that now. You know, that's how you get your AC blowing. I need to replace the unit overall. I mean, it's just that time. But we's about to be in a recession, so I'm trying to make things last. As Q said, once say it, we're gonna make it last forever. But all right, that's it. I'm about to put everything back, close it up tight, turn it back on, and take a shower because I'm gross. All right, as you can see, it's all buttoned up, fan turning. You can see the bottom from here. It's nice and clean, as clean as it's gonna get anyway. And yeah.